Hey guys, I'm Patty and this is Little Red Southern Kitchen. Tonight we're going to be making teriyaki popcorn chicken. Now what I have here is, I've got some popcorn chicken I'm going to pop in the oven, but I am going to make my own homemade teriyaki sauce. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to pop this in the oven and then we'll bring you back to make the teriyaki sauce. Be right back. Alright. In here I have 3/4 of a cup of water. I'm going to add 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, and I do use the unfiltered, so I make sure I shake it up really well. So it's going to be a total of 1 cup. Turn that on. I need a 1/2 cup of soy sauce. Hold on a minute, I have everything I need for it.
Meanwhile, we'll look at this pot. Looks like it's there. Yes, folks, it's a pot.
Okay. I need a 1/2 cup of soy sauce. I am using the low sodium.
Oh, Jesus, right.
Shut up. I don't know what he's saying, y'all. Don't believe me. He's crazy. I need 5 teaspoons of brown sugar.
5 teaspoons of brown sugar.
I need 2 tablespoons of honey. I've got, this one's a little bit older, so a lot of it's crystallized, but that'll work. Maybe it'll work, maybe not. Alright, that's not gonna work. Hold on, I got some better honey. He's trying to get this out for me. I told him I would use that one, but I think it's too crystallized. Now I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of this. I need 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger, or fresh if you got it. I don't have it. I bought some, but it just went bad. I need 1/2 teaspoon of granulated garlic. And about a teaspoon of sesame oil. Now sesame oil goes a long way, and this is actually a blend, but like I said, sesame oil goes a long way. So I'm just going to use a teaspoon. And I just want to do that. All I'm doing here. Oops, wrong one. Scratch up my stuff. And I'm just wanting to heat this through. Because then we're going to add a thickener to it. We're just going to let this cook for about 1-2 minutes. Like I said, just to heat it through. I hope everybody's doing well. I'm really caught up on my videos till like the first week in August. I think this will finish out the first week for me on a Friday. But it's actually only July 28th here. I had a great birthday. my husband got me a new keyboard that's totally waterproof, which I need, and a new tripod. So that was greatly, he's been using it, and I know he loves it. He doesn't have to sit there and hold it all. Alright, let me get a quarter cup of water. Put this in here. And I need 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Blend this up well. Turn this down a bit. And then my slurry up. You can use this teriyaki sauce on plain chicken and make your own teriyaki chicken, but I thought it would be good with the popcorn chicken. This is going to be a very quick meal. I'm just fixing this over rice and with the popcorn chicken and teriyaki sauce. And then I've got some green beans that I've been cooking. Alright. Pour this in here, and all you're doing is going to let this cook until thick, about 5 to 7 minutes. Which is not taking that long at all. I'm making a lot more than's needed, but I think this will hold up for about 2 or 3 weeks in the fridge. So when everything's done, we'll mix it all together and we'll bring you right back. Alright guys, my popcorn chicken's done. Well, I'm going to put this in a bowl.
Thunder Boomer.
Yep, it's storming here. We're sounding worse than it is, actually. Like I said, I'm not gonna... Well, once again, I don't have everything. I'm gonna put this in the fridge, because I know I'm not gonna use all of this. I tasted it and it is so good. There ain't much left though. Alright, like I said, are you even watching me?
With what?
Were you even watching me over there?
Yep. Yep.
Oh crap. Alright Nikita, don't eat that yet. It's very hot. Too hot, baby. Got some bean greens. I like buying the frozen. I don't buy canned vegetables too often anymore, because the frozen's almost as good as fresh. I just put some bacon in here and some dehydrated onions and salt and pepper. Alright guys, our teriyaki popcorn chicken is done. I want to thank y'all for joining me. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have y'all in the family. Me and Tony try to have a lot of fun over here. We cut fools sometimes, that crazy, but that's life in general. It's not just a play for the show. It's our life all the time. Try to lead a good, happy life. And like I said, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have y'all. And share this out on your social media and leave me a comment. And don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Alright guys, supper's ready. See y'all later. Bye.